All right, so these '07 to 13 GM like Tahoe Yukon Suburban, Silverado Sierra, Avalanche. These lids are common to break, of course. It's probably why you're watching. Um, and the hinges are a super pain in the butt to get out. But typically you don't need to replace the hinge. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to replace just the console lid and the base without having to replace the hinge. And that'll allow you to get it actually less expensive without the hinge when you don't need it. So I was just showing, this is the base right there, the underneath of it. Checking out the lid, checking out the latch, make sure it's all good. And what you're going to need for this job is just a screwdriver, nothing else. And what you got to do is take your screwdriver and those 8 screws that I just pointed at, these screws you just want to take out and just set them aside because you're going to need them to put it back together. And we'll be taking these out. I sometimes have these console lids in stock. I'll put a link to my store below and to see if I have any of these. They go pretty quick, but yeah, just check the link below, and you'll see a link to the store. So I'm going to finish up taking out these screws. Let's get a couple more. And after I do that, I'll show you what I do to get the base off, which is pretty easy. But what you have to do is one more thing before you take the base off. You have to push down on that latch right there because that latch stops the base from coming off. So I just hold down on that latch right there. Make sure it's down so it's not going to get caught. Put a screwdriver in the front, pry that off, and just pull that out. Now, that base right there, depending on if you're buying a lid that's just the top or the top with the base, you might need to reuse that base. But so next, what you do is you have 4 screws that hold the top to the hinge, and that's what I'm taking out right now. So we'll get those screws out. That one's actually broken. So now I just check it out. I make sure there's no cracks, make sure there's no tabs broken. So that's pretty much it to get it off. Now to put it back on, you take the top, and you screw that top back to the hinge because the new one you get, you're going to have to take the base off. And after you screw the top to the hinge, you're going to pop that base back on just like I just did. And then you're going to put them 8 screws back in. That's all you have to do. It's super easy. You can buy just the lid without the hinge, and that'll save you money. But yeah, if this video helped out, make sure you like it and subscribe because it helps out the channel.